My phone's broken.
I'm not surprised. It's probably because of all those apps you've been downloading.
Don't say apps like you're young.
No, I took it in the shower because I didn't know you could pause a game. Here, Chris, your first cell phone.
Yay! Something my dad held in the bathroom.
You know, Chris, you could probably salvage that phone. If you put it in a bag of uncooked rice, it'll dry out.
Really?
Yeah, and then you can use the rice to pretend someone wanted to marry you. Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. and Mrs. Dog and Meg the Bounty Hunter.